Hey friends, thanks so much for joining me. So I have a special treat for you today. I recently came back from On Stage. We got back on Monday, March 16th, early morning, and I've had the opportunity now to just go through all my stuff that I received there, kind of organize it, and I wanted to show you what I got because I'm so excited. So one of the first things that we got were this gorgeous bag. I mean, and it has so many pockets. We got this beautiful pin for On Stage, and it comes with this really nice strap. It was so cool to see everybody walking around Long Beach with these bags. So many people stopped us on the street and said, "What are all those purple bags that everybody's wearing?" As a matter of fact, this is one of the new in colors. It's the hydrangea hue. So really, really pretty. And as I mentioned, lots of pockets inside. So many pockets that I kept losing things in here. Let's see if I forgot something in this little pocket now. So really great bag. I love it. And it's lightweight. And I definitely will use this a lot. So the other thing that we got in our bag was this beautiful notebook that we could take some notes in during On Stage. We had lots of presentations, so I took lots of notes in that. I got my lanyard with my badge. It has my name on it, and then it has the country that I'm from. The number here actually coordinates with the gift during Prize Patrol that when they call out that number, everybody gets that gift. And then the QR code, which gives us the agenda. This was our meal, and then this stood for after hours. And because of you, I reached silver. So thank you so much to all my customers that joined my team. I'm so elated about that. And my next one is Silver Elite. So I hope you help me get to that as well. Thank you so much again. All right, we also got this cool pack of pens, and these are 3 of the in colors. We have Peaceful Pine, Golden Hue, and Crisp Cantaloupe, which is a returning color. Now, I was a little disappointed because they are not in that color. The barrels are in that color, but when you write with them, they're black. So, oh well, that's all right. They're still cool. Then I opted to do After Hours, and I will show you the fun stamp set, which is coming soon. It will be released in the May catalog, and I will show you that in just a second. I'm trying to find space over here without dropping things. Okay, so Fern and Flora was the stamp and the dies that I got, and they gave us this book. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I was too busy chit-chatting to do any of the cards. So aren't they pretty though? I will complete that though. I did get to cut everything, but I didn't put anything together. So that's one. That was After Hours. And then we also got this packet for Product Experience. And what Product Experience is, in a room, they have all these tables set up, and you just walk around and try new products and stuff. They also gave us these vellum sheets, which you can put on a piece of designer series paper, and then you can cut it down to, you know, all the different sizes and make different cards with it. So they gave us one for 12 by 12 and one that's 6 by 6. So looking forward to doing that. It's going to take a little bit of while though, because I have to measure everything out. They didn't put measurements on there. I will show you what else was in this packet. We also got a couple of flip flaps, which I haven't used it yet, but I plan to. I'm having all sorts of trouble with this. There we go. Okay, we got it. So one of the new products that Stampin' Up! Is introducing is a white gel pen. How cool is that? So these are really cool. I have used these in the past, but in my experience, they don't work very well. Like, I'm always trying to get it to work, like I have to rub it on my hands, but this one started right away. So I'm looking forward to getting that. We were only able to order a few products during the product purchase premiere. So unfortunately, I do have to wait until, well, March 24th, but I probably won't place an order until April since I spent way too much money in March. Here's another one, and you probably don't see this, but this is the In Color Hydrangea Hue, and they are releasing, introducing 5 new Wink of Stella in the In Colors. So I can't wait to get my hands on those. Those are really pretty. The other thing is, so this was a technique, and using the colorless blender pen, I think it's called. And basically you color with your alcohol markers, and then you just do little dots and stuff, creating a different look. So I thought that was pretty cool. This one here is using the brayer, and it's in the golden hue, the new color. I have not used my brayer. I do have one, but I haven't used it. And there's just the other side, so I did both sides. This is another stamp set which will be available. I believe this will be an online exclusive, but isn't he cute, the little octopus and the seahorse? And they are in this is Secret Sea. I don't know if this was the new In Color. I don't remember now. I should have written it down, but I didn't. This is using our watercolor pencils, which you've seen me use, and then I use my Wink of Stella brush just to add some color and shine to it and spread the ink. So here's which was my favorite. Oh my goodness, look at this die and look at the detail. So Stampin' Up! Is introducing an impression plate that goes along with our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and these cool new dies. So basically it cuts, but it also gives this amazing impression. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. All right, so that's that. Put that aside. Then we had some make and takes. We made this card, and they give us all the product to make it. So I did do 2 of them. And was this using the watercolor pencils or the blends? I think it was using the blends. So really pretty. I did 2 different colors. Same concept though. All right, moving along. This was another make and take. I did not finish this because I don't know where I was, in a meeting or something, but just, you know, by the time I got there it was kind of late. So we did get this new pack of ephemera. It's called Sincerely Noted Mix and Match Ephemera Pack. So I think there's 2 or 3 of each of these, and then the cards, which, like I said, I didn't make, but that's what they're supposed to look like. So that's that. We also got some new embellishments, although I think these are not new. No, these are not new, but they did give us these to go with the Fern and Flora after hours that I still need to put together. These, however, are new. So we have some new sequins, Sunset Sparkle sequins, and then we also have the Dewdrops embellishments. Really pretty. Then a couple of new, this was actually my prize, the new ephemera, and this is Meant for You Mix and Match ephemera and Under the Sun Mix and Match ephemera. So these were the ones that I won during the on stage, and they had so many giveaways for us, so I was happy to get anything. These were 2 others that were giveaways, Sending Salutations and A Family Celebration. Now some of these will be, I think this one is, or is it this one? Maybe this one. I don't, one of these is available in the online exclusives coming soon, and the other one will be in the catalog. And speaking of the catalog, here it is. Here it is. So this is our new format. It's much smaller than the one that we've had in past. So you're gonna love this. As I mentioned, it is smaller. We have our index in here, which is nice. They brought that back, and I love the way it's laid out. Fortunately, I can't open it right now, and I really want to, but I can't. So they're going to be introducing 3 catalogs in the same format, the same size, rather than doing the one big catalog and then, what are they doing? Like two mini catalogs? So still 3 catalogs, but in a different format. Plus, we'll still have all our online exclusives. And then the back just highlights some of our great products that everybody should have. And here is that white gel pen that I was telling you about, and also a black writing pen. So just wonderful. Can't wait to show you that. And I received some beautiful cards that people did swaps. I did not swap, but some of my friends were nice enough to give me some. So this was from my friend Anita. Oh, how come there we go. I should put glue on the back of the cross so it's like sticking. I'm going to have to de-stickify that. So isn't that pretty? I might have to do this for one of my classes. Then my dear friend Tracy, she makes cute cards too. This is from her. And let's try to open this up. I think this jar opens up, if I remember correctly. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, just opens the normal way. Maybe it's a fun fold. How does this open? How does this open? Maybe I should have asked her how. Oh, I remember, right. So this lifts up. It's tucked under that little strawberry. So really cute. And then there's the big message. How adorable is that? So this product is available now. I believe it was an online exclusive for March. So definitely check that out. And then this beautiful card was from my dear friend Sally. Oh, we're not going to take it out. Isn't that pretty? This was from my dear friend Donna. Also very pretty. I love how she did the embossing folder and then she dragged that white ink across it. And then my dear friend who I met for the first time, Patricia, she gave me this cute card. Little turtle. You know how I love that turtle stamp and die. And I believe there's a tea bag in here. Yep. Cute little tea bag in here. Isn't that cool? That, and then she also gave us each an Easter basket. Now, and then she gave us this, which was the box. It was put together with the Easter basket on the outside and with cute little grass and yummy jelly beans, which I've already eaten. So, but she was so nice to actually make it so that we can travel with it. So I thought that was very thoughtful of her. So that's all I got from On Stage. I mean, it's quite a bit. So I'm looking forward to using a lot of it and just sharing in the next few weeks with you some cool cards with all the product that I got. And if you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you. And thank you again for watching my video, for being one of my subscribers, and for being one of my customers. Till next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.